Hi, I'm James Villapeg.
And I'm Christopher Oliver, and we are zombie fanatics. And we're here today to introduce you to the next big thing in the zombie world. It's called the ZomBcall. It's a zombie communication device that allows you to speak in the native language of zombies.
Unlike other novelty noisemakers, the ZomBcall is different because it's a vocalizer that's capable of producing an unlimited range of zombie sounds. From growling, groaning, and moaning to screaming, screeching, and squealing. Plus, we wanted to create a tool, a device, a weapon that anybody could use during a real zombie apocalypse.
Whether you want to hunt zombies or you just want to hug them, nothing is better than the ZomBcall. It's the ultimate pre-apocalyptic gift for the zombie enthusiast.
Help us make ZomBcall the must-have tool for anybody's zombie survival kit. But be forewarned, we cannot be held responsible for any zombies that your ZomBcall attracts while in use.
That's right.
So please, please use with caution.
Stop. 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 What are you doing, man? Didn't we just warn people not to do that?
No thanks to you, man. What were you thinking, dude? We're not even done with the video yet, man.
Right! We need to tell everyone the plan.
We need to get these into production right away, as soon as possible. A zombie apocalypse could happen any day now.
That's right. And without the ZomBcall, you won't be prepared.
And if you're not prepared, you're not gonna make it.
That's why we spent over a year designing, developing, and engineering ZomBcall with Dano Pinkham, one of the world's leading animal call experts.
Dano designs and manufactures game calls and components for over 100 companies. He's the real deal, and he's based here right in the USA.
That means ZomBcall will be made right here in the USA.
But we have to hurry.
Kickstarter! We don't have a lot of time.
Please back us now. We need your help.
Help us, please! With your support, we can take over the world with ZomBcall.
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 ZomBcall. Kickstarter, we need your support. Please back ZomBcall.